Harry's Auto and Body Repair Works here.
No, you got the wrong number.
No, that is me. I'm Harry.
Yeah, who you calling?
Well, who am I speaking to? That's who I am calling. Now, look, Harry.
No, who you calling? You got the wrong number.
I got your car here.
What?
You want your car, yes or no?
No.
It looks really nice. We did. Damn, good job.
No.
Good job.
No.
Yeah, it was good.
Keep it.
You should keep it.
Sure. Not my car.
Well, what's your address? I gotta send you the bill. What is it?
What is it?
What? Your address? I gotta send you the bill for it at least.
What's your address? I'll come pick it up.
We're right on the main road north of Hookyville. Hookyville! You dropped the car off here. No, it was towed in, wasn't it? Well, are you gonna come get it? What? Send you the bill. What?
What's the street number? I don't remember.
463. North Hookyville.
Where's that?
Where? Right off north. Ittsville. There's a lot of villas around here.
You've been assaulting yourself, pal.
What? Huh?
You've been assaulting yourself.
What? You got... What? What about the car? I don't got a lot of room in this place. I don't like to keep them around.
How many cars you got there?
Oh, about 10.
Huh?
2 of them are hot. Yeah.
You play with yourself?
Huh?
What's the deal, good?
What?
What are you doing? Play with yourself?
I'm working late tonight because I had to finish your damn car.
You got a Sunday license. How can you do that on Sunday?
What?
How can you do that on Sunday? You don't have a license for Sunday work.
Well, who gives a damn? Man, I'm looking for money. Money. Besides that, I got all these people employed. They're looking for money. Well, you want the car? Do you want the car?